Good morning guys, in front of me is OPPO Find and to Flip, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So basically all you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume up button, so hold them together, keep holding. And once you feel the vibration and also see the logo, you can release the button. And after that, like after a few more seconds, you'll be able to use your phone again in a normal way. Now draw an unlock pattern, and you can use your device again. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.